walls, offset. So we're working our way towards putting the sketch into Revit. This is the client sketch. And we've drawn our exterior walls. We've drawn some of our interior walls, but we need to do this little section right here. Let's just quickly take a note of the dimensions. It's 5'8" for that particular dimension right there, and then 5'7" for that wall right there. And that's to the exterior of those walls. That's important to note that. So we're here in Revit. Let's just right click on the interior partition and we're going to create similar. So we'll be drawing a wall of that exact type. That's what create similar does, as we've seen in the create similar video. But right now we're focusing on the offset. Before I change this factor, what I want to do is make sure that this location line is going to the right place. Remember we said it was going to the finish face exterior? Let's just choose finish face exterior. And under offset, let's put 5'8". So now when I draw along this wall, notice what happens? This is very different from what you're used to if you've been working in AutoCAD. This is drawing the wall and a construction line all at the same time. So this is drawing based upon the plane. As you can see where my cursor is, it's 5'8" from there. Now I'll finish that one off. Now let's draw the other side. I hit escape once. I'm still in the wall command, and I'm going to go 5'7" now. This is the other distance. So I'll start from up here and then just draw down to there. Now I don't mind that the walls are crossing over each other right now. That's something we're going to fix with the trim tool. Let's hit escape twice and we'll get out of that tool. Now, just as a side note, let's do a measure. So if I click on a wall, it's going to give me a few dimensions, and it gives me some temporary dimensions. I find that those are good, but they're not as precise as you might want. So let's just go up to the modify tool, go to measure, and let's just pick between there and there. 5'7", good. Between there and there, 5'8". So that's the offset tool as it relates to drawing walls.